Ahead of Krobia Santi Kotoko game against Great Olympics, Baba Sports Stadium. A game Great Olympics neighbor home, but a Sao Baba Sports Stadium. Ahead of that particular game, no. Various Kumasi Santi Kotoko players, especially the key ones, no, a Pusti, Deputy Captain Richmond Lamptey, show much love to him. Now it is in the form of obviously congratulatory. Na DNTia. Yɛduadua mu kakra yɛde ho asɛm kakra ebro good news good news na no me hintem about Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Richmond Lamptey the eminent inclusion one here onya ahead of Ghana Black Stars squad yebe announce concerning AFCON ebeba so no yes ho asɛm na wie me bro ewofia mpacho aha super 24 TV no so unsubscribe ya wadaroma no hit the red subscribe button na wabo adoma no so amame na afi wasa ya dey ma follow social media handles no Facebook re super 24 TV and Instagram Kumasi blogman obetimi ama ye follow then we follow back now Saturday area and a Kotoko players asha see a posted Richmond Lamptey so that lad Ibrahim official and a onono a posted Richmond Lamptey and all the love emoji no eto ho senior e wo hono no cho Kumasi Asante Kotoko between the same period no na the other players so posted the same thing regarding omo captain deputy captain Ifreno Richmond Lamptey na no na deep throat sources yet and say women confirm me Chedwamana nso be posti e wa ha Michael Chedwamana the midfielder and no so posti Richmond Lamptey no the love sign the ball no the Kotoko flag no e bo no chiro Kumasi Asante Kotoko na information e ba ne say say Kotoko has been informed say omo player Richmond Lamptey enya call up that's information metiti say ye briefly Kotoko inti Kotoko Richmond Lamptey team members and I say the colleagues no and I shall say no congratulatory message regarding call up and the information eba say wonyano mukwala nso posti Richmond Lamptey and ocho captain mesade no bro inti information go around no sa ena information say Richmond Lamptey likely to be called and as a Kotoko ya can't Kotoko officially that's the woman captain fantastic one of the finest I've played with we go again tomorrow Mr. Assist and also from Mukwala Daisy and Otroye the Ombiano ebepie in the subsequent video congrats Richmond.